Hi, Reg Ellis from Mountain Watch, and we have a cloudy day here in the mountains with a few showers at times as a weak low pressure trough slowly drifts over the Aussie Alps. Now, there's likely to be some rain at times tonight with potential for thunderstorms in Victoria, and northwest winds will swing to the south late this afternoon. That rain should ease overnight with just a few isolated light showers before dawn tomorrow, although we may see some snow around the peaks before it clears for partly cloudy weather and even some sunshine in the middle of the day. However, we could see showers again tomorrow afternoon. Sunday is looking mainly fine with light northwest winds and some high cloud in the afternoon. Good to see colder sub-zero temps over the next couple of nights. That should put a freeze back into the snowpack and bringing us some fun spring snow on Sunday and Monday. Now, early next week, a cut-off low is likely to drift eastwards, and that'll bring periods of rain, which may be heavy at times, and again, an unsettled atmosphere will bring thunderstorms at times. A cooler southerly change late Tuesday or Wednesday could see some of that rain falling to snow most likely up high, but looking at the 7-day snow totals, they're not much in it, but at this stage it's too early to make any real calls on snow amounts and timing. This unsettled weather is typical for spring, but there's still a very good snowpack across the resorts, and with only 10 days left in the season, it's worth heading up to the mountains for a few late season turns. This has been Reg Ellis for Mountain Watch.